I got it.
Good morning, people. I think this is gonna be my 4th Vlogmas because this is a new vlog. Welcome to vacay mood. We're officially on vacation. You know what I realized? This is my last winter break, like as a student, because next winter break,
me too,
we will be adults working. I'm gonna be saving lives, hopefully, and Ray over here will be, I don't know what she'll be doing.
Making my nose.
Yeah. So anyways, today is, what day is it today? Today's Thursday. And we're heading to Trader Joe's. I don't know what I'm going to get because I literally just bought groceries. But they have such cute Christmas stuff at
they have.
Oh my god, wait, hello. New person alert. She got a haircut.
Oh yeah.
Who's that girl?
I was like, what the hell?
La 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 la. She's inspired me to cut my hair. What were you gonna say?
The Trader Joe's has these like pine branches, like Christmas tree pine branches, and I want to see if they have. They're like $3 for like a bundle of them.
Oh my god, you know what I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get flowers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna clean my room and I'm gonna put fresh flowers,
like candles.
Yes. Oh my god, Alexa, please don't kill us.
I feel like that's parking for that, but I don't know. Why would you walk across the street to get to your house, you know?
All right, so anyways, we're going to Trader Joe's. We'll see you later. Holla Rooney. I'm gonna do a haul when I get home. All right, so quick Trader Joe's haul. So I got some eucalyptus and some baby breath. I hate how that's called, baby breath. Anyways, I got this pepper jelly with these fig and olive crisps. I'm gonna try and make a charcuterie board tomorrow. Some tomato soup. I got this cold juice that was kind of healthy. Besides the apple juice, it was pretty good though. We're gonna do a ginger shot, Alexa and I, and her BF. We got some snacks, peanut butter. These things are so good for me. I mean, I love them. Anyways, these hash browns. Oh, I don't know what to have right now. If I should have breakfast or lunch. These corn puffs, if you know, you know. They're so freaking good. And then I love this vegetable fried rice. It's so easy for on the go, especially for me as a PA student, even though I'm on break right now. And then I got some gnocchi and some mandarin orange chicken. Did I show this already? I don't remember. But some vegetable stir fry. I want to see if I make something with that. And then we managed to get this thing from TikTok that it's trending. It's like a summer days dupe.
Summer Fridays.
Summer Fridays. Oops, thank you so much. Summer Fridays. We'll see how it goes.
Cheers. Yeah.
It's actually not that bad. I feel like I can breathe fire now. I just got back from the gym, and so these flowers, Steven gave them to me for our 1-year anniversary, and I seen like, I know I reference TikTok a lot, but it is what it is. So like people say that they save them, right? So like, I don't know, you just have these like petals, and you know, for that occasion, possibly for like when you're wearing a white dress and somebody else is dressed like with a tux, you know, you're just like, I don't know. I feel like it's a nice little memoir. I'm in a spa. Also, I'm obsessed with watching people build bouquets. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like they are so creative, and their poor fingers. I always think about their fingers. So there she is, having a full moment. And then these are the petals that I was talking about. And Alexa's came out really cute because she had the little hydrangeas. I just want to say she's a copycat though, because it was my idea to get these. But hers came out really cute. Hello people of the YouTubes. Today is Sunday, December 19th, I think. And I have not vlogged in a few days, not doing much of anything. So today I decided that I'm going to be productive and I'm going to clean the disaster of my room. I want to clean out my closet because I have a lot of stuff that I ordered. I have way too much crap. And I want to clean out and really make sure I have what I need in my closet. I'm trying to make a capsule wardrobe. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, my room is a complete disaster right now. I don't know what happened. I already have 2 bags of clothing, so I'm probably gonna do just like a quick time lapse in regards to like cleaning and stuff. Good morning and happy Monday. I started cleaning out my room yesterday and I started cleaning out my closet yesterday, and I think I made a lot of good progress. I got rid of like 40 something pieces of clothing. So now with the 2 bags that I had prior, I have 3 full trash bags. And I need to donate them so I can declutter my space. I'm going to show you my closet really quick. It still looks very cluttered in my opinion, just because I don't think I have it organized at the top section. Like I just have everything folded up there. But here is, I got rid of a lot of dresses. Like I have all this space now with all these empty hangers. Over here I have more space to add more clothes eventually. On the left side here, I just have a lot of my business casual workwear that I have to wear for school and in the future. And then I have some jackets, shackets, etc. So I feel like I've done a lot. I didn't finish cleaning my room yesterday like I wanted to. So today I'm gonna finish. I got my sheets washed yesterday. All my laundry is done. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually clean this time. So let's get started. say to the vlog? Can you not flick off the camera?
Let's go.
We have finished. See you guys next time.